If you're looking into WinDispute.pro AI and wondering if it actually works, this is the only video you need to watch. I've tested over 1,000 AI tools across marketing, automation, and SaaS, and this one stands out for a very specific reason. And yes, you can try WinDispute.pro completely free. Just check the first link below. Now stick with me because there's one critical feature near the end that might change the way you handle chargebacks or disputes forever. So what is WinDispute.pro AI? It's a brand new platform that uses AI to automate your responses to payment disputes, especially for businesses using Stripe, PayPal, or other major payment processors. Instead of stressing over writing the perfect reply or losing money to random chargebacks, this software generates legally sound, optimized responses in seconds. What makes it so powerful is that it pulls from thousands of successful dispute cases, learning the language that actually wins. And here's where it gets clever. It adapts to your business model. Whether you're selling digital products, coaching, or subscriptions, it crafts a response tailored to your product and the transaction details. It's fast. I tested it on a test dispute using dummy data. It created a full dispute reply in under 10 seconds. That's not just efficient. It's a lifesaver if you deal with dozens of disputes a month. One thing I love is the ability to store dispute templates. So if you run similar transactions, you don't need to start from scratch every time. You can tweak and reuse with just a few clicks. Now here's a big deal for agencies or freelancers. WinDispute.pro AI offers a white label option. That means you can provide dispute resolution as a service and brand the dashboard under your own agency name. This is massive if you work with clients who sell online and constantly face refund threats or chargebacks. Also, the dashboard is refreshingly clean. You're not digging through confusing menus. You paste the customer info, choose your scenario, and boom, done. Now for the downside, while it's powerful, it's not magic. If you're constantly delivering low-quality products or ignoring refund requests, no AI is going to save your payment processor reputation. But if your chargebacks are mostly due to fraud or misunderstandings, this tool gives you an unfair advantage. And here's that final point I promised. WinDispute.pro AI has a built-in learning feedback loop. When you mark a dispute as won, the AI learns from that case and makes future submissions stronger. That's like having a legal assistant that gets smarter every time you use it. So, is it worth it? If you're running any kind of online business that accepts payments, and especially if you're using Stripe or PayPal, this tool can easily pay for itself within the first few saved disputes. Again, you can try WinDispute.pro AI for free with the first link in the description, no credit card required. And if you're serious about automating your business and saving time, I've also listed my top recommended AI tools, after personally testing over 1,000 right below. Try them out and thank me later.